Welcome to the Vocab School by Manu and Tinku. Our aim is to enhance your English vocabulary by introducing one new word daily. So what word we are learning today? Word of the day is petrichor. In this video we will learn its origin, form, literal meaning and practical usage. Let us begin the video by discussing the origin of petrichor. What do we know? The word petrichor is derived from two Greek words, petros, meaning stone, and ichor, the ethereal fluid that flows through the veins of the gods in Greek mythology. It was coined in 1964 by Australian scientists Isabel Joy Baer and Richard Grenfell Thomas in a paper about the smell of rain. Don't forget to comment if you know more. Now, petrichor is a noun. It means a pleasant smell that frequently accompanies the first rain after a long period of warm, dry weather. For your knowledge, a noun is a word that represents a person, thing, concept or place. So petrichor is a noun. Now let's see what do we know about the literal meaning of the word. Petrichor refers to the pleasant and distinct earthy scent that arises when rain falls on dry soil, especially after a period of warm and dry weather. It results from a combination of plant oils, bacteria, and other substances released into the air when the raindrops hit the ground. Let us discuss the most important part that actually helps understand the word and add more words into our vocabulary. Yes, it is time for some similar and opposite words for petrichor. Some similar words like earthy, rain scent and geosmin. Viewers, for your knowledge, geosmin is a scientific term of petrichor. Some opposite words like arid and drought. Don't forget to memorize these important words. Now let's use petrichor in sentences to understand the practical usage. Some examples. As the first raindrops began to fall after a long dry spell, the petrichor filled the air. Or, the musty, barky smell of fresh rain fallen on the dry earth is petrichor. Thanks for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to the Vocab School. Happy learning and have a nice day.